Hi and welcome to Flygfabriken's weekly update. This week has also been focusing on service of the machines. We started the smaller mill behind me here, but one of the actuating screws jammed due to all the plastic getting into it. So now we have designed a small feature here which we will put on all the linear guides, bearings and screws, and blow air on it while it's working. So as we speak now, I'm waiting for the 3D printing to be ready. So tomorrow or Monday we have all these parts ready and get this one going again. And then it's the epoxy machine that we are working on. We have got the spare parts, so it's almost assembled and soon on the go again. And the third machine, this mill machine, we have finally found the problem, and it wasn't the motor, it's the motor driver that is faulty. So now we have two faulty drivers and we are trying to put them together to one working driver. So hopefully it's again started again in the beginning of the week. Okay, thank you, bye.